Hello everyone, this is Building Your Worth, and today I want to remind you that the early bird gets the worm. Remember that? The early bird gets the worm. Now when I was younger, I thought that meant be early, be the first one in line, and everything would work out for you. But after both hit and miss opportunities, I realized there's a little bit more to it than that. In simple terms, the early bird gets the worm means be 100% ready. Be 100% ready to take advantage of the opportunity. Be 100% ready financially, with your emotions, ready to change, ready to commit, ready to take action. Be 100% ready. Now, some months ago, there was an opportunity that knocked at my door where an individual was selling a car and he well priced it. And I knew from always observing cars, and I'm always looking at the prices and the kilometers, so I have a pretty good idea what cars go for. And I knew that if the car that he was selling was mechanically sound, this would be a great bargain. It turns out the car was mechanically sound, and it turned out to be a great bargain. I purchased it. I called him 4 or 5 times. He was out of town when I come back, so I kind of hunt him down, and we agreed for me to purchase it. Now, later on, he explained to me that the person who put up the ad for him came back after our agreement and asked him, can he purchase the ride? And he looked at the individual and said, what? Like, you put up this ad. You were the first person who had access to this. And you did not ask me then. You waited 4 or 5 days later and then come back to me. And he said, I'm sorry, I can't do that because I've already committed to selling the ride to someone else. Long story short, I purchased the ride. It was mechanically sound. It was in great condition. And 6 weeks later, I sold it and made a profit, a nice profit. And it reminded me that there was opportunities that I wasn't fully ready for, that I missed out on, and I came back many times because of fear. Because I was not emotionally ready. I was afraid of the opportunity. Even though I had the money, even though I had the time, I had the resources, I had the knowledge, I still did not move forward because I was too afraid to fall. And I did not take advantage of the opportunity. So when this came along, I was reminded of all those missed opportunities, and I was reminded that the early bird gets the worm. Remember, be 100% ready. Don't pray for an opportunity. Rather, get ready for the opportunity. You don't want the opportunity to show up and you say, well, let me go think about it. By the time you come back, the opportunity will be gone.